we'll continue to explore the world of the rich and wealthy. Welcome to Luxury Fountain. Today, we'll discover the wealthiest billionaires and where they live. Don't forget to hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll travel to the far reaches of the globe to find the most luxurious home estates on the planet. The 5 most luxurious estates in the world vary from extravagant palaces to shockproof homes, and even homes adorned with gold are present. As a result, it's no surprise that realtors and assessors slap a price tag on these properties. So without further ado, let's start. Number 5. Le Palais Boulle, $335 million. This magnificent palace features numerous swimming pools, gardens, waterfalls, and an amphitheater constructed into the hillside, as well as a panoramic landscape of the Mediterranean Sea. The name Bubble Palace or Palais Boulle derives from its pattern of bubble-like homes. The property features a place where you may dine with guests while admiring the scenery and enjoying the cool breeze from the sea. Nonetheless, the 500-seat amphitheater offers an unparalleled experience for large-scale, open-air events. It has frequented some of the most renowned events such as Christian Dior fashion exhibitions, Cannes Film Festival celebrations, and private galas. Number 4. Villa Les Cèdres, $410 million. This 35-acre estate includes an Olympic-sized pool, a stable with a capacity of 30 horses, multiple patios, and water fountains. The main house has 14 suites, 20 hydroponics, a grand sitting room, a dance hall, the facilities offered at the property, floor-to-ceiling 19th century artworks, and ornate frames, a 50-meter healing swimming pool, exquisite candelabras, and marble fireplaces, French doors, painted wainscoting ceilings, an extensive library with books on biodiversity and naturalism, and a solitary botanical rule book worth thousands of euros. This mansion has botanical gardens that are ranked among the top 10 in the world. A pond with lily pads from Amazon can also be seen in its garden. Near the gate stands a bronze sculpture of Athena, clad in a marble tunic, and the villa takes its name from a forest trail bordered by large palms and cedar trees. Villa Les Cèdres, once the most expensive residence in the world and now the second most costly villa in the world, has only moved along the ownership of famous figures in its 187-year lifetime. Tibor de Campari Milano is its current owner. Campari bought the home from the previous owners, the Marnier-Leposteau family, who bought it after its most famous owner, King Leopold II of Belgium. This home is a holiday hideaway for the Belgian monarch and his then-lover Blanche de la Croix. He purchased it with over 500 million euros and made it his own property by utilizing resources within the then Congo Free State of Africa. Aside from its luxurious features, the villa's desirability emanates from its ideal position along the French Riviera, among the mansions of other affluent billionaires, such as Paul Allen and Andrew Lloyd Webber. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, $750 million. The inside of Villa Leopolda is lavishly luxurious, with marble finishes and visible ceiling beams. A movie theater, 14 gorgeous black marble bathtubs, and 10 large bathrooms, opulent chandeliers, bowling alleys, opulent dining areas and kitchens, a library, and various smart artworks and sculptures are all available. The home itself is an artistic effort that evokes the French ballet poking style. Many architects and interior designers, including Ogden Codman, Mika Etegun, and Renzo Mongiardo, worked on it over the decades. The entire compound is a large 50-acre estate with luxurious amenities, such as a gigantic swimming pool, a helipad, many relaxation points, freshly groomed grounds, and over 1,000 trees that provide the estate with shade and relaxing vistas. The costliest villa on the planet, as well as the most expensive individual house in Europe. It is situated in Villefranche-sur-Mer on the French Riviera between Nice and Monaco. His Philandering Majesty King Leopold II presented the land as a gift to his lover. They were both quite busy in various Mediterranean states. Following that, it passes through the hands of other wealthy individuals, such as Gianni Agnelli, the then owner of Fiat and Juventus Football Club. He holds 4.4% of the nation's GDP and 3% of the total workforce at the height of his powers, and is the richest Italian in modern history. He also liked to dress up and party, and Villa Leopolda was his favorite place to do it. While her husband was still alive, the present owner, Lily Safra, held wonderful parties in the villa with him. Edmund Safra, a Lebanese-Brazilian financier, purchased the house in the 1980s. In one of their celebrations, tulips were flown into the air from Holland. Rosa Verjon, a world-renowned chef, made magnificent delicacies, and musicians David Wood and Sergio Mendes were flown into town from the UK and California, respectively. John Fairchild called the party as ultimate inconspicuous consumption, and Lily Safra, even after her husband's death, remains worth $1.3 billion today. Number 2. Antilia, $2 billion. Despite not being the most expensive, this estate is by far the most spectacular. It is the most expensive home in India, belonging to Mukesh Ambani, the richest man in India and chairman of Reliance Industries, with a net worth of $95.7 billion. The acclaimed Australian firm Leighton Holdings was responsible for the interior. The structure includes a ballroom and an 80-seat velvet seat theater, 3 helipads on the roof, 9 independent elevators, a 168-car garage, a temple for worship, a spa, an entire level of floating flora, and a snow chamber that is constantly filled with snowflakes. The residence is divided longitudinally across 6 sections, each representing the Hindu ascension to enlightenment. The divisions depict elements of the earth, water, fire, air, sound, and light. Perkinsville of Chicago designed the Antilla to survive a grade 8 earthquake. Antilla is 507 feet tall and has 27 stories. However, each floor is raised high enough that the structure appears to have 60 floors. Antilla, with its entire splendor, towers in the heart of Mumbai, India's sleepless metropolis. The house is tended by 600 personnel, including 6 Ambani family members. The house consumes approximately the same quantity of energy as 7,000 households. $2.6 billion may appear to be a large sum, but consider how much it expenses for upkeep. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, $5 billion. Buckingham Palace ranks as the most opulent piece of real estate on the planet and is considered a neoclassical architectural landmark. The palace includes 775 chambers, including 52 primary suites, 78 bathrooms, 19 master suites, 92 offices, and nearly 200 servant bedrooms. This estate boasts its own post office, jeweler's workshop, and London's largest private garden. The house was established in 1703 and has been altered over the years by many architects and designers. As a result, it has a diverse range of interior and architectural styles. Several rooms are decorated in the classic Belpuk style, while others are decorated in the Chinese Regency style. Buckingham Palace features various rooms, including a music room, a green room, and a white room. It also boasts a 50-meter-long gallery with works by Rembrandt and Van Dyck. And last but not the least, the throne room. There are more rooms and large halls for attending events and receiving visitors. A number of these chambers and stairwells are designed in the Belpuk style, utilizing cream and gold because of King Edward VII's redecorations. Which of these houses do you like the most? Post your thoughts and comments in the section below. We'd love to hear from you. Be sure to like and subscribe to Luxury Fountain if you liked the video. We're hoping to see you in our future video.